Now we are going to see durability and thermal properties of concrete. First, let us see about durability of concrete. Durability is a property of concrete. It is very important property of a concrete. What is durability? Durability of cement concrete is defined as its ability to resist weathering action, chemical attack, abrasion, or any other process of deterioration. Durable concrete will retain its original form, quality, and serviceability when exposed to its environment. Significance of durability. When designing a concrete mix or designing a concrete structure, the exposure condition at which the concrete is supposed to withstand is to be assessed in the beginning with good judgment. In case of foundations, the soil characteristics are also required to be investigated. At present, considerations of the use of concrete has been extended to more adverse environmental conditions, having already used up all good favorable sites. Even the good materials such as aggregate, fine aggregate are becoming short supply. No doubt that the cement production is modernized, but sometimes the second grade raw material such as limestone containing excess of chloride is being used for pressing economic reasons. Earlier specifications of Portland cement permitted a maximum chloride content of 0.05%. Recently, maximum permissible chloride content in cement has been increased to 0.1%. This high permissible chloride content in cement demands much stricter durability considerations in other aspects of concrete, making practices to keep the total chloride content in concrete within the permissible limits. In other words, considerations for durability of modern concrete constructions assume much more importance than ordinary practices. To improve the quality and durability of concrete, it must have low water cement ratio and proper cement content. Higher the water cement ratio, lower the quality of concrete, even it reduces strength of the concrete. Next one, thermal properties of concrete. The process of hydration of cement materials releases heat which raises the temperature of concrete. This heat must be lost to the atmosphere and the concrete temperature has to reach equilibrium with the long-term atmospheric condition. The atmospheric gradients may occur or develop in concrete as the internal temperature is raised above the surface temperature of the concrete member. This surface temperature is dependent on the material in contact. The resulting temperature will produce tensions in the surface and may be stiffness to cause cracking. The second effect operates as the mean temperature of the member and remains move that of connecting members, and the subsequent cooling will induce tensions. Three types of tests are commonly used to study the effect of transient high temperature on the stress strain properties of concrete under compression, such as unstressed test, stressed test, and residual unstressed test. Thank you.